Let's get one thing straight. If you're not wealthy in the next decade, it's not the economy's fault. It's not the stock market, the government, or your bad luck. It's you. That's right, I said it. You are the reason you're not where you want to be in life. And if you're tired of hearing that, good. It's time to wake up and stop blaming everything else but yourself. Let's be honest. We love to blame the economy for everything. The economy is tough. The market crashed. Interest rates are too high. But here's the cold, hard truth. The economy doesn't care about you. It doesn't care whether you make it or fail. It doesn't care whether you're happy or miserable. It doesn't care about your plans, dreams, or goals. The economy just is. It's a system. And you are just a part of that system. But if you think the economy is the reason you're not rich, you're missing the point. The truth is, the economy is just the backdrop. The real reason you're not wealthy is because of the decisions you make every single day. The hard truth, it's your choices, not your circumstances. Here's the thing. You're not where you want to be because of the choices you've made or haven't made. Did you choose to spend your money on things that don't matter? Did you choose to work at a job that doesn't make you happy or give you the freedom you deserve? Did you choose to stay in your comfort zone, avoiding risk and growth? You didn't choose to be poor, but you did choose to stay stuck. The choices you make today are shaping your future. Every decision, from how you spend your time, to how you spend your money, to how you view risk, affects your tomorrow. And if you're not taking action now, you're choosing to stay where you are. You're choosing to remain mediocre. You're choosing not to grow. It's that simple. Here's another hard pill to swallow. You're not waiting for the right moment. You're procrastinating. You're making excuses. And the more you wait for the perfect time, the more time you waste. The perfect moment never comes. The stars don't align. Life doesn't wait for you to feel ready. Instead of waiting for that magical moment, start now. Start with whatever you have. Start with whatever you can. Just start. Because here's the kicker. The people who make it big don't wait. They take risks. They make bold decisions. They start before they feel ready. That's why they succeed. And you're still waiting. Taking responsibility for your life, the key to success. If you want to be rich, truly rich, you need to take responsibility for your life. You need to stop pointing fingers and blaming the world. You need to stop blaming your upbringing, your job, your circumstances. The truth is, you're the one in control of your life. When you stop blaming the world and start taking responsibility for your own decisions, that's when things change. That's when the magic happens. No one is going to come and save you. No one is going to hand you success on a silver platter. The world doesn't owe you anything. But here's the good news. You owe it to yourself to take action. You owe it to yourself to do what it takes to win. Let me tell you something that might shock you. Building wealth isn't about luck. It's about habits. The rich don't get rich because they're lucky. They get rich because they build the right habits. It's about doing the right things consistently. It's about making smart decisions every day. It's about taking calculated risks, learning from failures, and continuing to move forward. You don't get rich by wishing. You get rich by doing, by showing up every day, by making the right moves, by staying consistent even when things aren't easy. If you want to be wealthy, you need to build habits that align with your goals. You need to take daily actions that bring you closer to your vision. And the most successful people? They've mastered this. They have habits that are specifically designed to make them successful. The power of delayed gratification. Here's the difference between those who get rich and those who don't. The rich understand delayed gratification. They know how to sacrifice short-term pleasures for long-term rewards. The average person? They want instant gratification. They spend money on things they can't afford. They buy the latest gadgets, the newest clothes, the biggest house they can get on credit. But here's the thing. The rich know that success takes time. They don't spend their money just to look rich. They invest their money to build wealth. Instead of buying the newest iPhone, they're investing in real estate. Instead of getting the latest car, they're building businesses that make them money. Delayed gratification isn't easy, but it's the key to long-term success. The final piece of the puzzle: be willing to do what others won't. Most people are content with the ordinary. Most people are happy with mediocrity. Most people are afraid of taking risks. But if you want to succeed, you can't play it safe. You need to be willing to take risks that others are too afraid to take. You need to be willing to go all in, even when the odds are against you. Success requires a level of discomfort. It requires pushing through fear. It requires doing what others won't even dream of doing. Final thought: the only person holding you back is you. The truth is simple. If you're not where you want to be in 10 years, it's not the economy's fault. It's not bad luck. It's not the market or the government. It's you. And the moment you take responsibility for your own success and stop blaming everything else is the moment you start changing your life. The world doesn't owe you anything, but you owe it to yourself to succeed. So stop waiting. Start today. By the way, if you are ready to level up your financial literacy and take control of your money mindset, don't forget to show some love by hitting like, subscribing, and turning on the bell so you won't miss future videos. See you in the next one.